welcome. Yes, so today there is not much going on today, but we are doing a video still, not to any coach part, but just to try out this new super wide lens angle that I have got. Yeah, so I'm unsure how it's going to turn out, to be honest. I've not actually not tested it driving yet. Thought I'd just go straight out there, smash a video straight in, see how it turns out, see what it's like, just as we're heading down to do a little test run of this this new lens. Yeah, even so, yeah, it ain't too bad. We're out in the Mercedes Setra today. Yeah, 53 seater. It's quite nice, including courier, that is, not including driver. 54 with driver. But yeah, it's all right. We approach a little mate here. Hello, mate. Not all of the bus drivers wave. I like to wave. There's no need to not wave. So we take, there's the nice little turn here. This is just round the corner from our yard. This is. Yeah, I mean, some of the videos I've done, I've not been very happy with the angle, the width of the shot. So yeah, thought I'd give this one a try, see how it turns out. Oh dear me, forgot those roadworks down here. Absolute murder. Oh, it ain't too bad. Okay, it ain't too bad. Only one truck ahead, which will do us. And he's up the curb currently and down the curb. Well done, mate. Good little use of the curb there. Oh, he's on the curb again here, although it is quite tight. Oh, I'm nowhere near the curb because I'm protecting my tyres. But yeah, we did Rocks to Roman City yesterday. That was quite good. It's quite an easy drive. Only done really easy ones up until yet. There's none really that, you know, real toughies. I've got a Heathrow Airport coming up, Terminal 3. Don't know if anyone's ever, well, obviously somebody's been to Terminal 3, but it is an absolute bugger to pick up at. There's no signposts like Terminal 2. It's absolute garbage. So that is one of the types of videos that I would have liked to have seen. You know, that would have helped me, because when I went up there the one time, I was literally just fucking driving round in circles. So yeah, and it wasn't until I went in the bus station there and collared one of the other drivers and says, mate, where's the pickup for Terminal 3? What's going on? And he went, and even he said, and what a bloke he was, I tell you, even he said, oh, I can't explain it. I can't really explain it, but yeah, I'll jump on because I can just walk back over. And I thought, what a bloke, and he literally showed me the way, and I was just, oh, I was forever in his debt. Let's just say that, because I couldn't, the people I was collecting, I couldn't even ask them to explain it to me. So sort of is what it is. Don't worry, mate, your wing mirror is safe. Don't worry. Seen him put his wing mirror in then. Do you reckon he drives round whacking his wing mirror in every time he sees a van or a truck or a coach? He's like constantly got his window down. Oh, time to pull it in, time to pull it in. Well, yeah, I wish I could have pulled mine in a few times on some people, but no, but yeah, that's brilliant, yeah. But anyway, yeah, there'll be some more videos upcoming. I think I'm going to Cadbury World on Friday, so I will do a Cadbury World video. I may use the ultra wide lens. We'll see how this one pans out. We may not use the ultra wide lens. I mean, there's not many people watching the videos at the minute, to be honest. I'm only doing it purely for my fun and entertainment, and it's something to do while I'm on my job. So you know how it is as coach drivers. We do a lot of sitting about when we're out somewhere. I was in Bournemouth for 6 hours the other day. Couldn't get a video, unfortunately, of that one, because the people were the people was local by and they wanted to keep coming back to the coach. They had some food, so they kept nipping back to the coach all day. And I thought, yeah, if they see me drive off, they're going to absolutely panic. But yes, anyway, I shall see you Friday for a Cadbury World video. Other than that, let's see how this wide angle lens even has turned out. Brilliant.